Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Starlink account. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Starlink and open the first link. And then you can choose residence or roaming and then put in your address, for example. Press on start and then press on order now. After this, you can see the plans, residential, and this one. You choose either plan and then press on payment, and then you input all your payments and you do the payment, and that's it. Now let's say that the Starlink kit already was shipped to you. Now all you need to do is press on here and then press on sign in and then activate your Starlink and then input the Starlink reference that you got in your kit and then input the email that you want to use for your account and then press on new account, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.